Hey everybody, this is Tom. I am going to walk you through how to use this CLI that I created for the CLI Ruby final project with Flatiron. I created a gem called GoT character query, which scrapes through a list of Game of Thrones characters. So from the television show Game of Thrones, and it does that from a wiki page here, and then it goes into each individual character's own wiki page and grabs a list of properties from each individual character's wiki page and then stores them in a character class. So to interact with this Ruby gem, you could either install it yourself using gem install GoT character query on the command line, or you could add this line to your gem file here, gem GoT character query. And so I will show you how you would actually interact with this gem. Oh, and it looks like the Learn IDE doesn't like me today, so I'm going to refresh this page. 1 second. Okay. Hope this is still on my clipboard. Perfect. And the zoom bar is getting in the way here. Okay, so to start this CLI, we can just run ruby bin GoT character query. And then what that did is it just scraped the wiki pages, and now it's giving us the option to, well, first it's saying welcome to GoT character query, and then to choose from the following options to learn more about your favorite Game of Thrones characters. We've got a few options here. I'll show you the first one, list all characters. So I'm going to type 1. And so that grabbed the names of all of the characters. This is just all the main characters in Game of Thrones. And so it's listed all characters. Let's say we want to learn more about Brandon Stark. And he is number 2 in this list. So we're going to enter number 2. And then that just output a whole bunch of information on Brandon Stark. Let's go to the top. Okay, so we've got an overview here that pulls directly from that wiki page. And I'm not going to read through that whole thing. And then we've got some additional information. This is pulling from that individual character's wiki page, like Brandon Stark's page on Wikipedia. And it gives you a list of different attributes, like his different aliases. And we'll talk about what these asterisks mean in a second. But he's got titles, what family he belongs to, when his first appearance was, created by George R.R. Martin, who he's portrayed by in the TV show, his gender, who his relatives are, what kingdom he belongs to. And then these asterisks, having trouble with that word. If there's one asterisk, that indicates that this property only belongs to the novels, and if there's 2, it only applies to the TV show. So for example, his alias Bran the Broken, 1 asterisk means that only applies to the novels. He's called Little Lord in the TV show, and what have you. And then it also outputs this wiki page so that you can get more information on him if you want to. And so let's try the next option, list characters by house. So that output all of the families, and it's prompting you to select which family you want to learn more about. Let's say we want to learn about the characters in House Lannister. So it'll be 5. And so these are all of the characters that belong to the Lannister family. Let's say I want to learn more about Tywin Lannister. Enter number 8. And so, similar to the option with Bran Stark, this provides an overview of Tywin Lannister and all of the additional information about Tywin. And this is pretty much the same pattern that continues throughout the CLI. The next and final option is list characters by kingdom. So we'll type in 3. And then that lists all the kingdoms. Let's say I want to learn more about the characters in the Riverlands. Okay, we only have 2 here. And so let's say I want to learn more about Peter Baelish. You can see it's the same. No matter which option you choose, you still get the same end result. Got the overview and the additional information. And then let's say I want to get out of the CLI. I just type in 4. And now my watch is ended. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video walkthrough.